Hello, my name is Ali Raza and my channel name is Cryptoland. Today we will discuss about wrapped Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the world's first largest and most recognized crypto asset since Bitcoin creation over a decade ago. The technology behind the revolutionary peer-to-peer electronic cash system has largely remained the same. But Bitcoin is not be able and end all of cryptocurrency on smart contract blockchain such as Ethereum. Developers have created a thriving decentralized finance ecosystem. In order to use Bitcoin within Ethereum DEFI ecosystem, it's necessary to create an ERC token to represent it. This is wrapped Bitcoin, which aims to combine the best of both worlds by bringing the value and liquidity money of Bitcoin to the dynamic and rapidly evolving worlds of DEFI. WBTC stands for Wrapped Bitcoin and in simply an ERC tokens that represent Bitcoin on WBTC equal on BTC 1 BTC. BTC can converted into WBTC being an ERC tokens make the transfer of WBC faster than normal Bitcoin. But the key advantage of WBTC is its integration into world of Ethereum wallets, decentralized apps and smart contracts. At time of publication there are over 28,000 WBTC in circulation. Wrapped WBTC launched on the Ethereum maintain in January 2019. Wrapped Bitcoin was brought to the world as collaborative project between major players in the DEFI ecosystem such as BitGo, Haber Compound, MakerDAQ and SET protocol in an effort to bring more liquidity into the Ethereum network by dripping into Bitcoin. The project is now controlled by a decentralized organization called WBTC DAO. Many of the most popular DEFI dApps of Ethereum requires the use of central products such as MakerDAO and Compound require user to lock up crypto assist in order to borrow the crypto assist. Because the overall value of Ethereum is significantly smaller than Bitcoin, this limits how much these protocols can grow. By bringing Bitcoin over protocols gets a boost in liquidity and thus can create more source of control for their dApps. Wrapped Bitcoin also allows Bitcoin holder to keep holding on it as an assist while also using DEFI dApps likely Compound to borrow and lend money. Since there is still a gap between Bitcoin and Ethereum, the chains cannot natively talk to each other. Trust in people is required. Compared to BTC, wrapped BTC will never have the same level of security or trust as the original because it relies on people and organizations to manage the system instead of pure code. To increase